Hey, hi. Is anyone having a challenge these days with security challenges which come when maybe you're trying to log in or sign up on a certain website? I'm trying to sign up on PayPal, but the security challenge is actually acting stubborn. This security challenge can be found on several sites, so I'm going to actually go through the stress of filling in this security challenge to show you the stress and pain I have to go through just to create an account on a website. Okay, so let me start. So select your squares with stairs. I think this is it. Next. Selector with motorcycles. So I think this is a motorcycle, part of a motorcycle. Okay, we're going to see how we can actually fix it. Is all fails, or we can fix it. Okay, let me go next. Select those squares with crossroads. Okay. Verification challenge. Check the checkbox again. Okay, let me try to check it again. Okay. Traffic lights. These are all part of traffic lights. Let me choose also this because there's a side of that. Okay. Stairs. I think there's a part of a stair. Also here where the stair starts from. There's a part of a stair here. Verify. Nope. Press try again. Select all buses. This is a bus. It's a bus. It's a bus. Bus. Next. Nope. Motorcycles. This is a part of a motorcycle. This is a mirror of a motorcycle. There's no other motorcycle. Verify. Nope. Press try again. Select all with stairs. Okay, we resume again. This time, these minor parts, let me just leave them. Select all with motorcycles. These are all motorcycles. It has to be right this time. Okay, finally, it has worked. Okay, it has to really, it's kind of stressful. Okay, hope you managed to fill in your security challenge. Okay, guys, nice time. Bye.